Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Ikea haul video. I recently just moved into my new townhome and I wanted to get some things that were a little different. I know a lot of people may go to Walmart and Target for things, but I barely ran into people that shop at Ikea because I know a lot of people think it's really pricey. But I went there, saw some things, even things that I want to go back to get that were really good price. I mean, good quality things for, you know, nice prices. So I'm just gonna get into the video and show you all what I got. I don't really remember all the prices of everything. If you see something that you would like to know the price of, just comment below and I'll make sure to let you know what it was that I got it for. So the first thing, I got some basic things like these funnels. It was like $2 for $1 or whatever. I got pillows. I don't think these are the feathered stuff ones. I don't like really soft feathered like pillows or whatever. But yeah, I think I got these for like maybe $2 and some change. I know they were no more than $2 to $4 or whatever a piece. So I got those. I got a shower rod. I know this was about $5, $4.99 I believe. Just a light one. They had silver ones, but I just got a basic one because the shower in my room didn't have a shower rod when we moved in. So I just got a nice little basic one. I got my boyfriend's slippers because he always puts mine on, and these were I believe $2 with the Ikea family card or something like that. So we got him slippers. It's like a lunch pail. Oh, can you see? Okay, it's like a lunch pail. I watched someone else's Ikea haul video and they had these and they took it apart and it amazed me. It's you can put things in this part and then you put this white thing in it to separate and you can put something in there, and on the top row it has silverware or plasticware in it. And I just thought it was really cool just to keep it separated for, you know, picky eaters that don't like their food to touch. But this was $5.99 I believe, and I went back around the store because I forgot to get it and I had to go and get it, so I got that. Excuse me if you guys hear noise. I think they're mowing the lawns or whatever outside, which is very annoying once I started to do my video. By the way, I know some people that does hauls, they try to pronounce the names on Ikea thing. I think everything is like Swedish, and I'm not gonna jack those names up. So I just show you all what I got, cause no way in form I'm gonna be able to sound these things out. But I got I just have a queen size bed, so I got these nice satin sheets. I think this was like $39.99, $40. It might have been like $34 or something like that. But yeah, I seen some other ones, but this was the perfect grade for me. I loved it, so I got that. I got this shower basket thingy, and it came with the things to hold it up on the wall. You know, just to put maybe soaps or shampoos or whatever in it. I think this was maybe $4.99. I believe it was $4.99. I got some kitchenware. This was, I think, $4.99. Cause I bought some from the dollar store and I don't really like those. For them to just, I think they're a little flimsy. I like these a lot better, so I got these from Ikea, and my kitchen is actually gonna be red and black, so I got those. This measuring tape is little, but I think it was like $1.99 to help me put my curtain rods and things up so I can measure properly and stuff like that. This is my daughter. Measure things properly. These, I got two of these because, you know, I do parties, you know, baby showers or whatever, and I thought this was really nice to have to maybe put like signs or whatever in it. I got two of these and they were $1 each. Not 99¢. I think they were on sale. I'm not sure, but I couldn't beat it. Like, I don't know if I'm gonna use them for business or home needs or whatever, but I really like them. So I got those. I got this really thick cutting board because I had one. I don't really know where I got that one from, but it was kind of thin and it broke in half. So I got this one from Ikea and it was $9.99, I believe. I'm sure it was $9.99. They had bigger ones, smaller ones. They had a set and all of that, but this is big enough for me. So $9.99. Cutting board. Oops. This is a pillow. It's just the throw pillow that I'm using for my bed. The bed set colors that I'm using is gray, blue, and yellow. So I'm gonna get like a throw blanket to throw over my bed, which I didn't find at Ikea. They didn't have any yellow blankets, but they had several yellow pillows and yellow pillow covers. So I really like this one. It is different, and when I take it out of the pack, it's gonna, you know, turn into a nice fluffy pillow. And this, I believe, was $8.99. $8.99, good price. Because if you buy a pillow from Ikea, I think they're like $3.49 or $3.99, and I think 20 by 20 maybe the size was $3.99, $3.49, something like that. And then if you buy a cover for your pillow, it was between $3 and somewhere $10, $12. They have different kinds with different patterns on it or whatever. So I did see a yellow one that was $3.99, but once I saw that, I put that one back. So I like this a lot better, and it's a longer pillow. So for a decorative pillow, I like this a lot more. This is a bath mat. I think this was like $2 and some change or whatever. It's a oval, like long oval, like circular, whatever. I didn't really like the pattern of it, but I just bought one recently for my kids' bathroom and at Walmart, and the cheapest one they had was like $4, and I didn't like it, so I ended up getting one that was like $6 or $7 or whatever. So I just decided to get this one from Ikea to test it out for $2. It was the cheapest one I have found, like, you know. So I tried this out for $2. This, I cannot wait to put this on. It's a shower head. This one was $14.99. I was gonna get one with different settings on it. You can see here, for $19.99, they had a few different ones. I'm not sure if it's gonna fit, but I asked one of the workers there, and she said she hasn't really had anybody return it saying that it didn't fit theirs. Cause you know Ikea has you know, the whole pole thing or whatever you can hook up. Ooh. Excuse me. I felt another one coming. But the season is changing here in Georgia. It's almost fall. It's getting cold outside, and I'm catching a mild cold, but I'm fine. But yeah, Ikea has the whole thing, you know, the whole setup for the shower heads or whatever. So I thought that you had to purchase the whole thing to change this out, because Ikea has a lot of things that are like that. Like you have to buy everything for it to work, like a bed. I was gonna purchase a bed set from Ikea, but they said that you had to buy one of their mattresses because only their mattresses fit, and it was gonna be really expensive. Like the bed was maybe like 200 and something, and the mattress was like 300 and something. So I wanted the whole set, like the dresser, the bed, and everything. And IKEA doesn't sell it like that. You have to get everything individually, and I didn't want to do that, and then have to spend all that money for a mattress. So I just purchased a bedroom set from somewhere else. This place called Derby's, and I ended up getting the whole set for it was about $900, and I was very satisfied. But I haven't gotten a mattress yet. I'm still searching around for a mattress, but you know, that's how IKEA works. Like a lot of the things that you get from there, you have to buy everything from them. And I didn't want to really take that route with my bed, so I was kind of, you know, skeptical about this shower head. But I asked her, and she said that it should be fine. So I can't wait to test that out because I don't like the one that I have. This is just a basic, you know, silverware holder. I really could have got this from a dollar store. I think this was either $1 or $1.99, but I just purchased it because I needed one. And these, they have a lot of silverware sets that look like these. One was $4.99, but they were a lot smaller, like maybe this one on the end and this fork, and they didn't have the 2 forks and 2 spoons. I think it was just like spoon, fork, knife or something like that, but they were too small. And these were $12.99, I believe. And then I think they had one for $14.99. Yeah, these are due for me. I just love the way these spoons are in here. It's like a nice super spoon or whatever. I love the silverware, so I really went to IKEA to get them. So I'm glad that I did find these. So this. Does everybody know what this is? This is a storage bin for like grocery bags. I think I gotta go back and get more because initially I thought I was going to use it for grocery bags, but I have a Cricut, and I see on Pinterest a lot that people use these to store their vinyl in here. So I think I'm gonna try that. So I don't think I'm gonna use it for this one for grocery bags. I'll probably go back and get one because I don't like storing them in the cabinets and stuff like that. So yeah, but I love the idea of storing my vinyl in this, so I'm gonna use this for that. And these, the measuring spoons. I think these were $4.99 as well. It's the measuring cup. So I like the red in the middle sturdy part on all. I didn't like the plastic. And last but not least, I had to order something from IKEA because I went crazy. I found the bedspread that I wanted, the like comforter set that I wanted, but they only had king and twin size, and I have a queen size bed. So it was me and this other lady in there, and she was like, what size are you looking for? I was like, a queen. And she was like, me too. Like, we were really going crazy in the store for this. And crazy thing, I got online to see if I could find it, and they were saying that it wasn't up for purchase online. So I was so determined that I called. I called them, and just to see if it was going to be back in stock soon, or see is there any other way that I could order. I also got online to see if it was another IKEA that I could go to. Mind you, I live in Georgia. There is only one IKEA in the whole state of Georgia. That's Princess Jasmine being interruptive. But yeah, it's only one IKEA in the whole state of Georgia. And I was like, what? The only one? Like, I was shocked. So, and that's like downtown area, like by Atlantic Station. I totally did not know that was the only IKEA that we had. So I called them up. I I sat on hold for like a whole hour. Watch out, mama. And the guy was like, oh yeah, I can get you this. It's up for shipping. And we did the payment over the phone. And I got it. I haven't opened it yet because I wanted to do this. Add this in the haul and tell y'all my stressful story. I did all of that to get it. I hope that lady did the same because she was like, I don't like any of the other ones. This is the perfect color. This is the perfect one. And I was like, me too. It was just so crazy that it was someone else in the store going through the same thing I was going through for this couple of sets. Like, I had to have the perfect color that I wanted. And it was a good price. I believe this was about $40 as well. And I had to pay shipping and stuff. So shipping, I believe I paid like $56 to $54 or something like that. Wow, let's put this in. But this is it. Show it to you guys up close. It's real light right here where I am. But this is it. It comes with pillowcases. This comes with pillowcases as well. So I have to go get more pillows. But it's not a problem because I do want a lot of pillows. At least about, okay, I need 2 pillows myself. So 2 pillows for me, 2 pillows for him, and then for just throw like decorative pillows, maybe about 4. Yeah, so I'm gonna find, I probably should have got 2 of these, 2 of the yellow ones, but I'll figure it out. I'm nowhere near finished. So that was it. Everything that I got. I purchased this bag. I purchased this Ikea bag, and it was only $1.99, I believe, or $1.49 or something like that, because you know they don't give you bags to carry your things out. So overall, I had a great time at Ikea. I didn't get a chance to get anything to eat, and I wanted to try those meatballs because I know a lot of people, they always talk about the meatballs, and I know that you get like a point or something like Ikea family for trying the meatballs and stuff like that. So I definitely will be returning once I settle in a little more and find out other things that I may want to get from there or whatever like that. But I appreciate you guys for tuning into my video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so I can get you all those prices if you would like to see those. And see you next time. Thank you.